Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, write all the factors of 200. Now, to find the factors of 200, factors of 200 are the numbers that multiplying two natural numbers gives the result 200. So, we can start with 1. So, 1 into 200, we will get 200. Similarly, 2 into 100, it is 200. Then, by divisibility test of 3, 200 is not divisible by 3. So, the next number is 4. As it is divisible by 2, so it is divisible by 4 too. So, 200 divided by 4, it is 50. Then, 200 divided by 5, it is 40. Then, by divisibility test of 6, 7, 200 is not divisible by 6, 7. So, the next number is 8. So, 200 divided by 8 is 25. Then, as it is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 9 too. So, the next number is 10. 200 divided by 10 is 20. Hence, the factors of 200 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 25, 40, 50, 100 and 200 itself.